Hello everyone, I'm Mike with Views, and I would like to tell you something about one of the things we started doing a while back that is very popular right now. It is virtual estimates. When the pandemic came, many people didn't want anyone to go obviously inside their homes and so on. That's when the virtual estimating became extremely important, because we were able to provide them estimates right on the, using the Zoom and so on, without our installers, technicians going into the property to take a look at all the things. Since Fuse is a full service company, we do plumbing, electrical, solar, HVAC. We can provide all sorts of estimates that you need. Everything around your house, from repairing the toilets to installing the solar panels, new HVAC systems, high-end equipment, and so on, and it can be done very efficiently. Few things I wanted to explain to you how our virtual estimating process is working. So you could call us to request a virtual estimate. Say that you would like your outlets to be fixed. Our operator would schedule a time that is convenient for you. It could be after work or any time you like. Once it's scheduled, we'll send you a Zoom link that you'll be able to click when your estimate window is on, and you'll be able to work with our virtual estimator. He will guide you, he will tell you where to go, what to show them, where to show like the outlet, and maybe measure. Things like this is good if you have a tape measure. Probably that's the only tool that you need to help us, because sometimes we would want to see how far is it from one place to another. The process is fairly easy. We also provide an extra discount for that, because we don't have to drive and go out on site, so we'll give you an extra 3% discount, and within an hour or so we'll send you an estimate exactly of the things that you would like us to take care of. It could be as simple as fixing the outlet, or as advanced as installing a new electric panel, even solar panels. All of that can be done. We can do the virtual estimates for the water heater replacements and other things, even like heat pump water heaters. Give us a call, contact us, so we can schedule one of the virtual estimators to work with you and to take care of your needs. And we'll try our best to be as efficient and accompanying as possible. Thank you.